Hello dear students, so আশা কৰো তোমালোকে ভালকে নোটস বিলাক লৈ আছা from the lecture videos আৰু ভালকে তোমালোকে প্ৰ্যাকটিস কৰি আছা so আজি আমাৰ ক্লাছত আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম কিছুমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট সিলেক্টেড কোৱেশ্চনস on the chapter alternating current semiconductor and the chapter EMW so এই তিনিটা চ্যাপ্টাৰৰ পৰা কিছুমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কোৱেশ্চনস যিবিলাক আগতে বোৰ্ড এক্সামত আমাৰ আহি গৈছে তাৰে পৰা আমি কিছুমান সিলেক্টেড কোৱেশ্চন উলাইছো so এইবিলাক আজি আমাৰ ক্লাছত ডিসকাস কৰিম so আশা কৰো তোমালোকে ভালকে বুজি পাবা এই কোৱেশ্চনস কেটা আৰু তোমালোকে প্ৰ্যাকটিস কৰিব লাগিব so এই নিউমেৰিকেল কোৱেশ্চন ফিজিক্সৰ যিমান প্ৰ্যাকটিস কৰিবা ইমানে ডাউটস বিলাক ক্লিয়াৰ হৈ থাকিব so let us start today's class so I am your physics faculty Abhik sir so let us start the session So our first question to hold on the chapter semiconductor and electronics. So yaate dekha paisa question to ki diya ase draw the circuit diagram for PN junction in forward biasing and the reverse biasing mode. So yaate mainly amar ki draw koribo lage we have to draw the circuit diagram. So circuit diagram ami jetia koru eta jete ami electrical circuit banao tate kisuman components thake jeneka First component to hold voltmeter, second component to hold ammeter, and third component to ki thake battery, right? So battery mane the device that will provide the potential difference. So ei tinita instrument use kori kene we can construct the electrical circuit. So yateo ami thik teneka korim but we have to draw the circuit diagram for a PN junction diode. So ami semiconductor chapter bhalke ami hikisilu PN junction to mane ki So P mane ki P type semiconductor aru N mane ki N type semiconductor right so yate ki hobo PN junction yar jitu symbolical representation this is given like this yate eta triangular shape thakibo right aru yate eta line eneka ami draw koru and this forms the circuit symbol for PN junction eto ami in the chapter semiconductor paisilu so yate amar kuntu side hobo p side aru kuntu side hobo n side so yate ami ki likhu this side is known as the p side and this particular side is known as the n side so yate amar hobo p side yate amar hobo n side so ei particular symbol to amar circuit diagram ot insert koribo lagibo then only we can draw the circuit diagram So let us try to draw the circuit diagram in forward biasing mode, then for reverse biasing. So yate jodi ami circuit diagram to saw, then for forward biasing mane akha koru tumaloke jana forward biasing or meaning to ki forward biasing mane ki hobo yate ami p side that means the p-type semiconductor so p side will be connected with which terminal positive terminal so p side will be connecting with the positive terminal and n side will be connected with which terminal negative terminal correct so this is the forward biasing connection so etu jodi amar circuit diagram ot dekhabo lage then we can draw in this way so amar etu hol PN junction this is our PN junction right yate ami voltmeter connect korim aru eta ammeter o connect korim so yate voltmeter will always be connected in parallel combination So etu hol amar voltmeter correct this is our voltmeter which is connected in parallel aru amar yate ki hobo yate ami series connection korim the ammeter right this will be our ammeter and this is the connection tar pora we can draw in this way so like this we can draw ঠিক আছে so this is the circuit diagram so yate this side will be known as the p side and this side is known as the n side so yate so a p side connected with the positive terminal n side connected with the negative terminal so this will be the circuit diagram আৰু ইয়াতে যেটো মই এমিটাৰ লগাইছো ইয়াৰ ৰেঞ্জটো কিমান হ'ব সাকে তোমালোকে সবে জানা ফৰৱাৰ্ড বায়াসিংত we get some current that means compared to the reverse biasing there is some more current we get in the forward biasing so ইয়াৰ ৰেঞ্জটো কিমান হ'ব so that will be in the range milliampere. So in case of forward biasing the emitter will be taken of milliampere range and this will be the circuit diagram. So enaka kori we can draw the circuit diagram. Next amar ki lage for reverse biasing. So for reverse biasing jodi ami banao reverse biasing to keneka asle p side will be connected with the negative terminal. That means now what will happen p side will be connected with the negative terminal and what we can write n side will be connected with the positive terminal. So this will be the importance of reverse biasing mane ami eneka connection to korim so yar jodi moi circuit diagram to banao then it will look like this etu hobo amar pn junction so this will be the voltmeter which is always connected in parallel and this will be the emitter so yar range to kiman lom ami so this will be the microampere okay so yar range to kiman hobo microampere and this will be the battery so like this we can draw the battery so like this we can draw so it hol amar p side and this is n side right. So this is the circuit diagram in case of reverse biasing. So reverse biasing ole hoday monot rakhiba p side will be connected with the negative terminal, n side will be connected with the positive terminal. So eneka kori we can draw the circuit diagram. So here range to kiman hobo so that will be microampere okay. This will be the range. So this is the first question so let us see the second question now. So it hol amar first question eti ami sam next question to so next question this particular question eto amar atoms chapter pora loi anisu although we are discussing the chapter alternating current semiconductor and EMW but still a question to amar roi goisile in the earlier previous year section jot ami porisilu modern physics tate ami ei question to loa nasilu but this question is very important so ei question to khubei important tumalokor board exam or karone tar karone moi ei question to yate include korilu jeneka ei question to ki amak dia ase what is given in this question yate swa the total energy of an electron in the Bohr's orbit is given by how much 6.2 electron volt find the kinetic energy and the potential energy ei duta term amar ulabo lage so how we can find out the kinetic energy and potential energy so atoms Bohr's atomic modelot ki hobo jodi amar total energy to dia thake if the total energy is given to us then we can find out the kinetic energy and potential energy tate tumalokor sake monot ase ami dangor derivation korisilu for kinetic energy and potential energy but ei dangor ami formulas keta yate apply no koru ami eta shortcut way ulam shortcut to keneka etu sobe tumaloke monot rakhiba shortcut formula the total energy এই total energy to ami keneka likhibo parim so this we can write in this way so like this we can write etu hol amar relation between the total energy potential energy and the kinetic energy so ei relation to tumaloke sobe monot rakhiba etu exam or karone khubei important relation on the chapter atoms So atoms chapter খুবই important relation. So ইয়াতে সোয়া কি দিয়া আছে আমাক 6.2 electron volt. That means 6.2 দিয়া আছে total energy. So ইয়াতে যদি আমি এই equation to apply কरू, so ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি কিমান পাই যাম? What we can get now, so from here potential energy will be 6.2 multiplied by 2. So like this we can get. So ইয়াৰ পৰা আমাৰ কিমান আহিব? So 6 2s are 12 and this will be I think 12.4 electron volt. Like this we are going to get. Then kinetic energy, so আকৌ আমি এনেকা লিখিম, this will be minus of kinetic energy and from here (6.2 electron volt). So like this we can find out. So very easy relation hoy, monot rakhar karone khubi easy. The total energy will be how much? Half of the potential energy and it is equal to minus of kinetic energy. So যেটো আমি ফর্মুলা টু ডিরাইভ কৰিছিলো ইন দা এটমস চ্যাপ্টারত, তাতে তোমালোকে সবে দেখিবা that যেটো আমাৰ এক্সপ্ৰেশন আছিল কাইনেটিক এনাৰ্জি, that is nothing but negative of total energy, আৰু potential energy যেটো আমি উলাইছিলো ডেরাইভেশনত, এটো যদি আমি 2 দি ডিভাইড কৰো then you will get the total energy. So from there only we have derived this particular relation. So tarpora kori gole we can get like this. So this will be the kinetic energy and this will be the potential energy. ঠিক আছে, বুঝি পাইছে তোমালোকে এটো কোশ্চেন? সো ইয়াৰ কোশ্চেন টু মেইন কারণ টু কি আসলে এই কোশ্চেন টু দিয়াৰ পিছত এই কোশ্চেন টুৰ কাৰণে এই ৰিলেশন টু ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট. সো দিস পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ৰিলেশনৰ কাৰণে মই এটো কোশ্চেন তোমালোকৰ দিছো এটো ক্লাছৰ কাৰণে. সো লেট us see the next question now. So our next question to solve, this particular question is given from the chapter alternating current. So eneka type of question transformer যেটো টপিক আছিল আমাৰ তাৰ পৰা খুবই ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট. সো এনেকা ধৰণৰ কোশ্চেন তোমালোকৰ আহি থাকিব বোৰ্ড এক্সামত. সো ইয়াতে ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মাৰ টপিকটো মেইন ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট. সো ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মাৰত আমি এটা ৰিলেশন উলাইছিলো, সাকে তোমালোকৰ মনত আছে relation to eneka asle for transformer transformerot eta relation ami paisilu, that is given in this way: ns by np, number of turns in the secondary by number of turns in the primary. So that is equal to how much? Kiman asile etu relation to? So that is given by voltage in the secondary by voltage in the primary, and that is again equal to how much? ip by is. So this is the relation we obtain in the transformer. So ইয়াৰে পৰা আমি এই পার্টিকুলার কোশ্চেন টু সলভ কৰিম. সো ইয়াতে সোয়া, ইয়াতে কি দিয়া আছে? I think transformation ratio is given to us. কিমান দিয়া আছে? transformation ratio to 100, right? 100 is given and number of primary turns কিমান দিয়া আছে? 1000. So ইয়াতে k is given 100 and np is given how much? 1000. So this much information given. So etu jodi ami bohai diu, k mane ki asle ns by np. So that means ns amar kiman ulai jabo, cross multiply. So k mane kiman? 100, np mane this much. So we can write 3টা 0 aru 2টা 0 mane kiman hobo? 10 power 5. So this will be the number of turns in the secondary. Next question ki ase amar? Next question to whole, first question to etu asile, right? Number of secondary turns যেটো আমি এই মাত্র উলাই ললো. Next question to কি আছে? Output power. So ইয়াতে সোয়া আমার input power দিয়া আছে questionত কিমান? 20 watt. So we can write in this way: output power. এটো আমার উলাবো লাগে. So that is given by ES into IS, this much we know. এটু যদি আমি জানো, that means ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি উলাব পাৰিম, right? ইয়াৰ পৰা primary voltage দিয়া নাই, right? কিন্তু আমাৰ কি দিয়া আছে ইয়াতে, এটু ইকুৱেশ্যন দিয়া আছে। সো আমি যদি এনেকা লিখো ES তো আমি কেনেকা লিখিব পাৰিম, EP divided by NS by NP. So like this cross multiply kuri kine we can write it down. But for transformer ami aru eta relation gom pao, that total power jikhini amar total power thakibo, so that will always remain constant. So that means power to jodi constant hoy, so your meaning to ki hobo, the input power will be same as the output power. So yate ami ki likhibo parim, input power is equal to the output power. So like this we can write it down. So yate swa etu question ot amar ki dia ase, input power is given, how much it is given, 20 watt. So that means how much will be the output power, so that will be same as the input power. That is the purpose of the transformer. So yar pora we can directly write how much, 20 watt. So this will be the second answer. So yate output power kiman hobo, 20 watt, same as the input power. Next question to ki dia ase, efficiency. So efficiency kiman hobo, so efficiency formula to asle P naught by Pi. So we can write 20 by 20, so that will be how much, 1. So efficiency kiman ahi jabo, 1. So like this we can apply the relation to get the result. So I hope tomaloke buji paise etu question. So yate output power jitu asile ami etu eneka ulabo parim, that P naught আমি সবে গম পাও ES into IS এটু হয়, আৰু IS টু কিমান হ'ব, সো এটু আমি কোৰ পৰা পাই যাম। সো এটু আমি পাম from this relation that IP by IS equal to NS by NP. সো ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি উলাব পাৰিম, but we don't know the ইয়াতে আমি কি গম না পাও, we don't know the output voltage, so we cannot apply this relation. So yate ami eneka we can find out. So I hope tumaloke buji paise etu question. So input power jikhini hobo, so that will be same as the output power, and so the efficiency will be how much, 1. So let us move to the next question now. So next question to hold from the chapter EMW, electromagnetic waves. So eneka type or question tumalokor board exam ot ahi ase in the last 10 years or jodi question paper swa tumaloke, so eneka type or question khube common question. So etu question ami keneka solve korim, so yate ki dia ase amak, electric field or equation to dia ase, right? So etu ami jodi compare koru with the standard formula, then we get like this, E equal to E naught sine of minus omega t. Etu whole relation. So etu logot jodi ami etu compare koru, then how much we are getting, E naught kiman pai jam, 100, right? Aru ki pam ami k mane kiman dia ase, 50, and we can write omega how much, 100. So ekhini ami pai golo, eti amar ki ulabo lage, we have to find the amplitude of magnetic field. That means we have the relation, ki relation asile, that E naught by B naught is equal to C. Etu ami sobe gom pao, then we can apply this here. So yar pora B naught kiman hoi jabo, E naught, that means 100 by 3 into 10 power 8. So this will be the magnetic field amplitude. Next ki ulabo lage, wavelength. So how we can find out the wavelength from this value k mane ki asle 2 pi by lambda. So yar pora we can get the wavelength. So from here we can get the wavelength. Aru ki lage, expression for magnetic field. Keneka ami likhim expression to, so expression will be like this, B equal to B naught sine of kx minus omega t. So like this we can write. So yar pora k value, omega value, you can put it and find out the expression. So very easy question hoy, direct যেটো question equation to দিয়া থাকিব in the question, that equation you can compare with the standard form. যদি compare করা standard form or লগত, then you will get all the parameters. আৰু খালি এই relation to মনত ৰাখিবা, this particular relation, this will help you to find out the amplitude. So I hope তোমালোকে বুজি পাইছা এইটো question. So let us move to the next question now. So next question to আমাৰ দিয়া আছে, identify the truth table for the following combination. So ইয়াতে কিছুমান combination আমি বনাম, তাৰ পৰা আমি truth table to calculate কৰিম. So let us draw the first one. So first আমাৰ হল এনেকা আমাৰ এটা combination দিয়া আছে that এটু সাকে তোমালোকে গম পাইছা, this one is OR gate, right? So ইয়াৰে পৰা মই এটা question বনাই আছো that so this is the combination. So ইয়াৰ নামটো মই কলো A, B and C, right? So question to enaka that for what values of capital A, B and C, Y will become 0. So kun keta value of A, B and C, the output Y will be how much? 0. Etu amak ulabo lage. So etu keneka gate? OR gate. So OR gate or ami sobe janu yar output kiman hobo. So yar output jitu hobo, so that is A plus B. Etu mi janu. And this one is AND gate. AND gate or karone output kiman hoy? So that is given by A dot B. So this also we know. So এই দুটা আমি ইয়াতে apply কৰিম. So ইয়াৰ কাৰণে যদি মই truth table to বনাও, so এইটো হল আমাৰ A, this one is our B, this one is the C. So এইটো মই লিখিলো A, B, C. And this one is the Y. So ইয়াতে কোন কেটা value karone Y value kiman hobo lage? 0 hobo lage. So let us put A equal to, ami jodi A to bohao, let us put A to be equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, right? So ইয়াতে ami kiman pam? 1 plus 0. So this will be how much? 1 plus 0. So kiman hoy jabo? 1 e hobo. আৰু ইয়াতে C value to আমি বহালো, let us put this one 0, right? So ইয়াৰ পৰা 0, ইয়াৰ পৰা 1 কিমান হৈ যাব? So that will become 0. 1 into 0 মানে 0, so that means this will become 0. Next combination 0 1. So and this one C, let us take 0 only. So ইয়াতেও আমি কিমান পাই যাম? 0. So এনেকা কৰি you can find out. এনেকা বেলেগ বেলেগ values বহাই কেনে you can try and obtain the 0 output. So 1 0 0 1 এনেকা you can put it. আকু যদি মই ইয়াতে 0 বহাও আৰু ইয়াতেও 0 আৰু ইয়াতে বহাই দিলা 1, right? Then also how much you are going to get? ইয়াৰে পৰা আহিব 0, ইয়াৰ পৰা 1, 0 into 1 how much? 0. So like this you are going to get. So these are the combination.